Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Agent Activation Runtime Service DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Before we walk through the Agent Activation Runtime Service troubleshooting, you can access a utility focused on providing a clean system environment. This is the Agent Activation Runtime Service. It manages the wake-on voice features for digital assistants like Cortana. It monitors the microphone buffer for trigger words. Corruption in this file leads to Cortana initialization failed errors and can cause high CPU usage in the audio service host processes. Now that we've covered what the file does, let's jump into our first fix. Since Agent Activation Runtime Service DLL is a protected OS component, the most reliable fix is to verify your system integrity. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scan now to have Windows detect and restore any damaged system binaries. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Agent Activation Runtime Service. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Since a standard reboot didn't restore the system manifests, we need to perform a deep repair of the Windows image. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism /online//cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this forces Windows to download a fresh master copy of the system manifests from Microsoft servers to replace corrupted source files that SFC can't fix on its own. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Replacing Agent Activation Runtime Service without a proper diagnostic environment can lead to DLL hell, where multiple conflicting versions of the library paralyze your operating system's ability to load software. A verified diagnostic utility can help manage the ongoing restoration and health of your system's library ecosystem. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for Agent Activation Runtime Service references. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Agent Activation Runtime Service from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.